Hi, I want to talk to you briefly about how you'll be sharing poems with each other during your workshop. So each week you'll be submitting two poems, one poem to me, generally following a specific prompt, and one poem to your classmates. Usually that will be a new poem. I will always clarify under the instructions what kind of poem you'll be submitting. This week, if you navigate to content, which you already did because this is there, and you go down to week one, hello, a hello haiku, you'll see that the first poem is the lockdown haiku is a workshop poem. So we're not really doing an in-depth workshop this week, but I want you to practice sharing your poems the way that you will moving forward. And so I'm just going to show you how to do that. Let's see. I need to move this a little bit. There we go. Okay, first poem, a lockdown haiku. Here we are. So you're going to scroll down and you'll press start a new thread. Okay, and here is where you'll say Sam's lockdown haiku. You'll say, please find my haiku here. And you'll need to share a link to the Google Doc that has your poem in it. I don't care what you use to compose, whether it's by hand or Word or Pages or whatever, but you definitely need to share via Google Doc because we'll be using it to comment. So here I have some haiku drafts. I made two. I'm going to share them both so you can see them. Let's see if you can guess which show my husband and I watched over and over again during lockdown. So once you're in the poem on Google Drive, you're going to share. And this is very important. You want to make sure that you are changing the access right away, because if you don't set this to University of Arizona, everyone can comment, then your classmates won't be able to workshop your poems. So you'll make sure University of Arizona, everyone can comment, copy the link, go back to the discussion board post and share. If you want to make it prettier, let's say, what was my title? At least. You can highlight it and insert the link that way. I suggest that you subscribe to a thread. It's up to you what your notification preferences are. And then you're going to press post. Okay. Now, you can test it, but sometimes just if you want to see what the share settings are, I believe details like this. No, nope. Okay, I'm going to stop giving you advice now. Here you can just definitely make sure that the general access is University of Arizona commenter. Okay. So after you've done that, you will wait for other people to submit to this thread. After the deadline, you can check back in and you'll have until the end of the day Friday, so it's a pretty quick turnaround, to come back to this thread and respond to 4 classmates. So choose any 4 poems that speak to you, that are posted first when you turn in there, and respond to them using these guidelines. So we can, if you want to see what that looks like, here I am, Sam's lockdown haiku. I'm going to click on the thread. And then, so now I need to make this a little bigger. Don't know how to make that bigger. We'll figure that out next time. You can reply to the thread here. Responding based on communication guidelines and in the general spirit of camaraderie. Do I know how to spell this? Grammarly knows how to spell this. There we go. Sarah. Then you'll scroll down and post. And that will be. So I want you to respond to at least 4 classmates. This is just a pithy 13-word example, but I want those posts to be thoughtful and responsive and to follow the guidelines that I've included there. Okay, under 5 minutes. Hopefully I'll be getting these shorter moving forward.